For many, the gas cylinder at home is a nostalgic childhood memory. It was quick and easy to use, just twist the valve and it was ready. It did away with chopping wood and adding coal, making things safer and quicker. It burned cleanly without smoke or odors, and you could control the flame size. It was widely used back then and remains common at roadside snack stalls and barbecue shops today. However, with more reports of gas cylinder explosions, it has become more frightening. So, is it safe? Under what circumstances can it explode? First of all, gas cylinders contain pure liquefied petroleum gas without any oxygen mixed in. So, if you pull out a gun and shoot at the gas cylinder, even if the bullet sparks as it pierces the steel, it will just cause a gas leak. Because there's no oxygen inside, the gas can't ignite and explode. So, movie scenes where gas cylinders blow up from gunshots are pretty unrealistic. However, causing a gas cylinder to explode is quite easy. Simply overfill it during refilling. No dramatic actions are needed. Since liquefied petroleum gas expands easily, filling the cylinder in the morning can lead to expansion as the sun rises and the temperature increases. Each degree of temperature rise boosts the cylinder's pressure by 2 MPa, but it can only handle up to 6.3 MPa. This means that during the hottest part of the day, the gas cylinder could explode, catching the whole village off guard by evening. But the direct damage from such an explosion is limited because the gas cylinder's steel body will first deform under pressure. Then it will rupture at its weakest point, much like a tire blowout, rather than the fiery explosion we might imagine. Therefore, the national standard requires household gas cylinders to be filled only up to 85% to avoid bursting. Don't overfill the cylinder just for convenience. Actually, the scariest part isn't the gas cylinder exploding, but the unnoticed LPG leak, since it's about twice as dense as air. Once released, it will accumulate in the room and won't immediately dissipate. The energy contained in 1 kilogram of LPG, that's equivalent to 10 kilograms of TNT equivalent, and when it mixes with air and reaches the explosive limit, just the slightest flame appears. It's going to turn the whole room into a huge bomb with a super violent explosion. This is a gas explosion, not a cylinder explosion. The cylinder itself is safe. As long as LPG doesn't leak and build up, it's not dangerous. Therefore, handle gas cylinders with care to avoid leaks. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share.